Welcome back to block episode again. This time we're going to be scrolling down and making a little bit harder block. We're going to choose one with multiple steps, which is block number 8 here. Okay, block number 8, which is very similar. It has a triangle cut out of it on both sides, and that's very similar to block 11. Block 11 just has smaller triangles cut out of both sides, and that's very similar to block number 14 with one triangle. So the technique we learned today can make 2 additional blocks. Let's go into TinkerCAD and start by pulling out a block and making it 90 by 90 by 90. Pause the video and you take care of that. Oops. Good. Now let's go and look at our Photopia here. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this shape right here. And if you notice that that's a triangle, okay, how big is this triangle? Well, this distance going across the top this way is the full length of our cube. So we know that's going to be a 90. And the distance coming top to bottom goes the full length of the cube. So that's also a 90. And then our right angle goes up in the top left corner. All right. And if you look at this yellow triangle is on our right view. So let's do that. Let's go back to TinkerCAD, pull out a roof. Okay, and we're going to need to rotate that around 90 degrees. And then I'm going to click on my right view, and I need to get the corner of it. This corner needs to be matching the corner on our cube. So I'll rotate this. Looks like 45 degrees. Again, if you hold shift, that helps to line things up. All right, and if we lift that up, that's going to look beautiful up in the left-hand corner, just like our picture, upper left-hand corner. Okay, let's type in our sizes. All right. Our length, now it's kind of hard to see, so might want to go a different view. But our length is going to be 90. All right, and our height, which is the white dot in the middle, that's going to be 90 as well. Now, what we don't know is our depth. This one's 20. So let's go take a look at our drawing. If we notice, we have 1, 2, 3 sections. So our cube is divided into 3 equal sections. So if you take 90 and divide it by 3, what does that give you? It's going to give you 30. So this cutout is going to be 30. This middle one's going to be 30. And this guy is going to be 30. So let's go back to our design, and we're going to make this depth 30. We're now ready to combine everything. First, let's turn this into a hole because we're cutting away. So we're going to make it a hole by clicking on it. Select everything. And then we're going to use the Align tool in the top right to align everything. Remember to click on the red cube first. That glues the cube down so it doesn't move. And then just play with your Align buttons to get it lined up. Once it looks like that, select it all and group it. Remember, if I went too fast at any point, you can go back and rewatch it. We're going to do the same thing to get the other side done. Okay, same thing to get the other side done. Here's a shortcut. I'm going to undo what I just did. I'm going to click on that shape, and we're going to copy it. Control C, and we're going to paste it. Control V. There's another one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both of those, and I'm going to do the Align again. Click my red cube, click on the Align button, click on the red cube, and we'll just align that one. And then I can select all and group it, and it will do it at the same time. All right. Remember how I said you could do this one also? Well, here's how you do that one. I'm going to undo it. All right, we're going to select everything. So instead of aligning it there, if you aligned it in the middle, same procedure, align it in the middle, there's that one. So you can make 2 blocks very quickly with the same thing. 2 blocks very quickly. Make sure you type your name and paste it onto the turn-in sheet. Thanks for following along.